Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to be an affiliate in TikTok Shop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. To become an affiliate here on TikTok Shop, you need to create the regular TikTok account first. Once you have your own TikTok account, you go to your profile and click on the three bars menu on the upper right corner and click on Creator Center. From here, what you can do is scroll down and look for TikTok Shop Creator. That's below the live gifts. When you click on that, you will be routed to a page where you will be registering your TikTok shop. And once you have created a TikTok shop, you just wait for it to load, and then you can just simply click on Get Started. So here with TikTok Shop, you'll be able to sell products, or since this is an affiliate program or this is a affiliate marketing program here on TikTok, all you have to do is just create videos with the links of the products that you will be posting into your account. So here is your homepage, and for you to begin creating or earning money from the affiliate program here on TikTok, what you can do is that you actually need to go to earnings, or you need to add a product first here on your TikTok shop. So you can simply click on earnings. That's the options here on one of the tools. Here, when you click on earnings, this is what will prompt you. To earn commissions, you need to add a product. So just simply click on Add Products. Wait for it to load. And then, since this is your first setup for the commissions for you to receive, you need to write your full name. That's your first and last name. And you need to make sure that that is the same name of your bank account details or your Gcash account, since that will be the basis on where the money will be sent to, and that's a verification that you as the TikTok seller and your bank account details are correct. So once you have set up your account, the next thing that you'll do is go to add a product here on Product Marketplace. So you can search any product that you want to review or you want to sell into your TikTok Shop affiliate program. So for example, you have this UV umbrella. You can simply click on the add button, and you'll be able to see that it would be grayed out, and it will notify or it will indicate that it has been added into your account. So the next thing that you can do is you can go back to your account or homepage, and all you have to do is click on the Manage Products, and then you'll be routed into the showcase. This is where you'll be able to see the products that you've added into your account, and just simply click on the button wherein it's like a movie icon, and then when you click on Try Now, you will be able to create a video for you to post here on TikTok. So you just click on OK, and then here you need to have the product pitch and make sure that it is only 100 characters for the description. Since here with TikTok Shop, the good thing here is that once you will create a product, you actually have the option to have it automated, or you can have or they automatically have a template for the product that you're selling. Or you have the option to have a product review, but this is a much easier route. You could just click on Generate Videos. So what I did here is I just edited out the description, product description, and then I click on Generate Videos. This may take a while. And now that it has been fully loaded, you'll be able to see that there are scenes already on about the product, what it offers, and it also has an audio as well. See here, this buy one take one. It also features the other variations of the product that you're selling as well. So once you're done and once you've reviewed all the videos, you can click on post on TikTok, and then you just indicate what the name of the product is, and make sure it's only 30 characters for you to be able to proceed. Okay, just click on next, and then just click on add, and then you'll be able to choose the privacy settings. So for you to have more clicks, you need to choose everyone, so it would be public. Once done, you can click on start, and then here you will be able to post the video. You can add hashtags, mentions, and a lot more, so that you'll be able to have a lot more audience here on TikTok. And when you click on post, the video with the affiliate link will be posted into your account. Okay, and that's it. So once you have a lot of videos into your account and a lot of views already, you can go ahead and go back to your TikTok shop account creator, and then you'll be able to see there what's your total data, or your today's data rather. You'll be able to see how many clicks, how many views, how many commissions you've earned. You'll be able to see that here on the key data. So they have a graph for you as well on what is the progression of your products and how it will be posted into your account. So you'll be able to see that with every clicks and every views into your video, you will actually be starting to earn money from that. You can even go to or look into the metrics. You'll be able to see what that specific key data is about, so that you have more knowledge and you will have an idea on how you'll be able to get more earnings here just with the affiliate program on TikTok. So it's basically here, everything is basically here. So the key thing here is that you need to post a lot of videos with a lot of links, and you have a information as well where you can choose the trending products, you have the best-selling products, you have the top-rated products, and it's best that you will be using these products since most of the people are looking into using this product that you have. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to become an affiliate marketer here on TikTok Shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!